Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I am going over some ACT questions. Now, just a reminder on the ACT, you can use a calculator, any calculator, basically. So, do bring a calculator with you when you go and take the test, preferably a graphing calculator. Make sure you know how to use it. As I go through these questions, remember you can drop your questions or any type of comments you might have below. And remember, guys, if you want to continue receiving these problems on a daily basis, please go ahead and like and subscribe so you can get notified when I drop one of these problems. I'm just doing one problem a day, okay? Now, at this point, this is a good time for you to pause the video and try the problem on your own to see if you get the correct answer. I love technology. Gosh, you can pause this, you can fast forward this. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, so here we go. And I bought a shirt that was on sale. The sale price of the shirt was $25.60, which was 20% off the original price. How much more was the original price than the sale price? So she bought the shirt for $25.60, and that was after a 20% discount. Now, by the way, as you do these questions, guys, especially the word problems, make sure you're reading them at least twice so you can really get a good grasp of what the problem is trying to tell you and what it's asking you to find, okay? So essentially, she bought this shirt after a 20% discount for $25.60. And so your job is to figure out how much more was the original price than the sales price. So first, you got to go ahead and figure out what was the original price of this shirt, okay? So once you figure out the original price of this shirt, then you go ahead and subtract the sale price so you can find the difference between the two amounts, all right? So guys, let's go ahead and work at finding the original price. So if she bought the shirt for $25.60 after a 20% discount, your first question should be is, what percent of the original price did she pay for? So let's look, guys. 100% is the original price of the shirt. It was discounted by 20%. So the price of the shirt is being reduced by 20%. So in reality, she's paying 80% of the original price in order to get to that $25.60. By the way, we don't know what the original price is, so we let it be X. As always, convert your decimals to your percents to a decimal. Oops. And so you get 0.80x equals to 2560. You would grab your calculator, of course, and divide both sides by 0.8. 0.80 will suffice. 0.8 is even better. Okay, you don't have to give yourself an extra work, additional work to do these problems. All right. So when we calculate this, guys, this is going to produce a total of $32. So this right here represents the original price of the shirt. But that's not what they want. They want to know how much more, okay, was the original price, which we just found, than the sale price. And the sale price is $25.60. So right here, remember, right here, this is the first thing we set up. We want to figure out the original price, which we found is $32. And then we're going to subtract the sales price, which is $25.60. Okay. Now let me pause here before I give you the answer finally. I'm sure you're looking at the answer already. Now, guys, use those test taking strategies. Some of the answer choices make no sense whatsoever, like letter A. How could the difference be 20 cents? Even letter B, guys, there's no way the answer is going to be letter cents. So you need to think about these problems critically and ask yourself, does this make sense within the context of the problem? And if it doesn't make sense within the context of the problem, most likely it's not going to be the correct answer. So by eliminating letters A and B, you have less options to choose from, and therefore this will increase your chances of getting this problem right, guys. So now you only have 3 options to choose from. And sometimes it's a really good idea as you work on the problem to go ahead and start eliminating some of the answer choices. So we go ahead and grab our calculator. Once again, we do 32 minus 25.60. So the answer turns out to be $6.40. There you go, Shazam. All right, guys. And so just like that, we have the difference between the original price and the sales price. And so this one was a very easy problem. But as always, it's up to you guys. Remember to read those word problems twice, use the test taking strategies, and good luck on your test, everybody.